Hello everyone, today we discuss about the human activities. Human activity is the part of chapter 1 nature and purpose of business of management. Then we know about the human activities. What is human activities? What is human activities? So any activities performed by human beings to satisfy their wants is known as human activities. Human activities. Any activities performed by human beings to satisfy their wants. Any activities conducted by human beings to fulfill their need or wants is known as human activity. Is known as human activities. Any activities performed by human beings to fulfill the need or satisfy their wants. Now, human activities is this type of activities which are conducted by human beings to fulfill their need or satisfy their wants. Satisfy their wants is called human activities. It's called human activities. Then human activities may be undertake to earn money or undertake to personal satisfaction. Out of the human activities, some activities undertake are conducted to earn money, or some other activities are conducted to personal satisfaction. Satisfy the personal needs, personal wants. Human activities classified in two parts. One is economic activities. And another is non-economic activities. Then what is economic activities and what is non-economic activities? Which are activities include in economic activities or which are activities are include in non-economic activities? Then what is economic activity? Now which activities are undertaken to earn money. It's called economic activities. Any type of activities which are undertaken to earn something, to earn money, or to earn money. But non-economic activities activities are related with culture, religious, culture, religious, social, etc. Social, etc. Then economic activities is related to earn something, is related to earn money, but non-economic activities not related to earn money. It only related by it only related with cultural activities, religious activities or social activities. Social activities. Then economic activities and non-economic activities are the types of human activities. Are the types of human activities. Then example of a human activities. Example of a economic activities. Now a worker work in factory. Worker work in factory. Doctor attend the patient. Doctor attend the patient. Farmer work in field. Work in field. Such type of activities include in economic activities, because in such type of activities are conducted by the human beings, to earn something, to earn something, to earn something. But non-economic activities have no economic motive. Non-economic activities have no economic motive. There is no economic motive. Example of non-economic activities. Example: housewife work at home. Social work. It is a voluntary nature of activities. In such type of activities have no type of income. But in economic activities are undertaken to earn something. In such type of activities, human beings relates with such type of work, like worker work in factory, doctor attend the patient, farmer work in field. And non-economic activities, such type of activities are include or related with cultural activities, religious activities, social activities. Next, we discuss about the difference between economic activities and non-economic activities. First, what is economic activities and what is non-economic activities? Economic activities. First, economic activities are undertake to earn money. Now, economic activities are such type of activities which are undertake to earn money. But non-economic activities are the nature of social, religious activities. In non-economic activities, it is a voluntary activities. In such type of activities, only fulfill the personal satisfaction, not earn money, not earn money. It related with the social work, religious work, cultural work. Such type of activities include in non-economic activities. The next is the objective. What is the objective of economic activities, and what is the objective of non-economic activities? What is the objective of economic activities? To earn something. To earn something. The objective of economic activities to earn something. But the objective of non-economic activities, to get satisfaction. Get satisfaction. Only fulfill the personal satisfaction. But economic activities objective to earn something, money or money's worth, to earn money, to earn money. Next is duration. The economic activities, such activities are performed irregularly. In all time, in all working hour, in all working day, such type of activities occur. But non-economic activities performed in spare time or leisure time. Such type of activities and non-economic activities are undertaken by human beings in extra time. But economic activities undertaken in a regular basis. Next is example of economic activities and example of non-economic activities. Example of economic activities and example of non-economic activities. Worker works in factory. Farmer work in field. Lawyer attend the court. All are the example of economic activities. Then example of a non-economic activities. Example of a housewife work at home. Social work. Then such type of activities include in non-economic activities, and such type of activities include in economic activities. Then first, human activities. Human activities. Now, activities undertake to satisfy wants. undertake to satisfy wants. Now, the activities which are performed by human beings to satisfy the wants is called human activities. It's called human activities. Then human activities are two types. One is economic activities and another is non-economic activities. Non-economic activities. Economic activities include in such type of activities are undertake to earn money. But non-economic activities relates to social work or voluntary work. Economic activities are undertaken to earn something, earn money, but non-economic activities relate to social work or voluntary work. It leads to produce goods and services, but non-economic activities leads to personal satisfaction. Then it can be measured in money. It can be measured in money. But non-economic activities is not measured in money. Not measured in money. The economic activities, farmer work in field. It is the example of economic activities. But non-economic activities, housewife work at home. Then overall, it is the first introduction chapter of management out of chapter 1, human activities. Any activities, the activities which are undertaken by human beings to satisfy their wants called human activities. And human activities are two types. One is economic activities and another is non-economic activities. Economic activities are undertaken to earn money, but non-economic activity relate to the social work, voluntary work. It leads to produce goods and service, but non-economic activity leads to personal satisfaction. It can be measured in money, but it cannot be measured in money. Okay, thank you.